Last ride together. Bye-bye.
Did you probably do another
Search?
consent? Yeah.
It's not wrinkle or anything, but I'm just going to make sure you don't have anything in your pockets. And you're not wearing anything else under this, correct?
No, ma'am.
Spandex? Nothing? You don't remember what you're... Okay. I just want to make sure that you don't have anything. Just wipe your hands a little bit for me. Yep. Thank you. Okay. So, I just spoke... You can turn the face there. So I just spoke with Jody, but you won't allow any restraint for child abuse. And you'll have 2 counts of that, one for Eve and one for Russell. Okay? For the malnourishment, you guys were in direct custody of these kids. Okay? Do you have any questions for me at this time? No questions? Okay, you can hop in.
She's not going to be able to act like that when she gets to jail. I'm surprised they let them ride together.
You'll have 6 complaints.
And left them in the car alone together. Ooh, I'd like to hear that conversation. Huh. So that's that. And I guess they're off to jail, and we know how it ended, the plea deal. I tell you, I was the first one to blame Jody for everything, but the way they acted, they knew the police were coming. Jody knew the little boy was missing. Ruby knew what was going on. She knew the police were coming for her, and she knew why. The only one I feel bad for in this whole thing is the dad. I feel really bad for him, Kevin Frankie, because I feel like he left because his wife told him to, because Jody told Ruby to tell him that. And I feel like he was in the dark. Maybe he knew about the strictness of years ago with his wife, but I don't think he knew about the duct tape, the safe rooms, keeping his little girl in a closet and his little boy in a closet. Maybe I'm wrong, but this is just my opinion, all of it. But those 2 deserve to go to jail for a very, very long time, in my opinion. Okay, that's the body cam footage for what was dropped. I'm going to leave links in the description below for all the, if you want to watch all the videos fully through Salt Lake City News and also Law and Crime. I'll leave the links below.